friends, welcome to my channel Maima's Kitchen once again. Friends, today I am going to share how to prepare coconut oil at home. Coconut oil is sattvic and is widely used in many cultural dishes, can be part of a healthy diet. It improves our metabolism, increases good cholesterol, it is full of antioxidants, can be used as mouth freshener for better oral health, and it can protect hair from damage, can be helpful in skin treatment also. So let's move to Maima's Kitchen to prepare coconut oil.
To prepare coconut oil, I have taken half of a coconut shell. I kept this shell inside the refrigerator for 4 to 5 days. This way you can take out the coconut easily from the shell. Pull a little using a knife and see, it is separated. Isn't it very easy? Now cut the coconut into small pieces. Add them to a grinding jar. Add around 3/4 cup of hot water, not boiling but hot. Now grind this coconut to a smooth paste. You may add a little more water while grinding. I have used total 1 cup of hot water. Remember, water should be smoky hot but not boiling. Now, place a strainer on a bowl and keep a piece of cotton or malmal cloth on top of the strainer. Add the coconut paste to the malmal cloth. See the texture of coconut paste. It is absolutely smooth. Hold 4 corners of the cloths and squeeze out the coconut milk. Now we will get the thickest coconut milk. We will follow the procedure of taking out coconut milk 2-3 times. This is the thickest coconut milk. We'll repeat the procedure. We'll grind this coconut with hot water and squeeze out the coconut milk. We'll place a kadhai on low flame. Add the coconut milk to the kadhai. 1 glass coconut milk has been produced from half a shell of a coconut. We'll stir occasionally. Within 5 minutes, milk starts boiling. We'll have to stir occasionally, otherwise it might get burned at the bottom. The coconut milk is becoming thicker. It has been boiling for 15 minutes. Now it has become 20 minutes. See, the milk has become more thicker. It has been half an hour and you can see coconut oil in the spatula. We will have to cook for 10 more minutes. After 5 minutes, coconut has started changing its color to brown. Now friends, you can notice that white virgin coconut oil is getting released. This oil you can drink, you can use it for cooking. This can be used in salad dressing, to prepare healthy mayonnaise, etc. We'll cook it for 5 more minutes. It has become golden brown. Oil has been released. We'll turn off the fire. This is not white colored coconut oil. This is golden colored coconut oil. Let's strain it. This much oil has been released from half a shell of a coconut. If you want more coconut oil, take 4-5 coconuts and follow the same procedure to produce more coconut oil. Preserve it in an airtight container and use for months. When it comes down to room temperature, transfer it to an airtight container. I have used coconut oil for 6 months by keeping it in an airtight container. You can use the same up to about 2 years. This golden coconut oil is actually very good for our skin. You can use it as skin moisturizer. You may keep it on the dressing table if you want to use it as moisturizer. So friends, this was my today's video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for visiting My Mast Kitchen.